Hi everybody, welcome to my classroom moment. Welcome to L'Expression Oral. And you know how we do this. You know how the game is played. I have to keep the dice rolling. What we do today is I am going to make 4 sentences, yes, 4 sentences in French language, and I am going to tell you what each of these sentences means in English language. I hope you have your writing materials. I hope you have your notebook and your pen or your notepad, whatever writing material that suits you so well. And I hope your sentences are ready. Remember, I'm going to make 4 sentences and you have to make at least 1 sentence. Please do not forget to drop it in the comment section. My first sentence for the day is Je m'appelle Uche. Just in case you're wondering, you don't know my name, I'm sorry. Je m'appelle Uche. My name is Uche. Je m'appelle Uche. My name is Uche. Second sentence for the day. Elle habite ici. She lives here. Elle habite ici. She lives here. The third sentence for the day. Ma sœur est belle. My sister is beautiful. Ma sœur est belle. My sister is beautiful. I hope it's sinking. Is your sister as beautiful as me? I mean, we are all beautiful. Okay? Don't mind me. Elle n'aime pas mon ami. That's the last but not the least. Elle n'aime pas mon ami. She does not like my friend, and I'm wondering why. Elle n'aime pas mon ami. She does not like my friend. Why would you not like my friend? That's odd. So, c'est fini. J'ai déjà fini avec mes phrases. I'm done with my sentences. J'ai déjà fini avec mes... Just not to bore you, not to waste your time. Okay? So tell me, are your sentences ready? Are they ready? Because, I mean, I don't have to... This thing has to be a two-way thing. I don't have to be the only one to do this. Okay? I have to make my sentences, but we have to be in sync. We have to just work together as a team, okay? I'm a team player, and you, my community, you also have to be team players as well. So let's work together. My 4 sentences, I've presented it to you, and I've told you what each of these sentences means in English language. It's your turn. Just think of a simple sentence, a sentence with a subject and a verb, and drop it in the comment section. So, this is going to be the end of L'Expression Oral. Remember, I am not here to bore you. I just want you to learn how to speak with confidence, even as a beginner. Do not forget to like, share, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel before you exit this platform. Thank you for always choosing to be in my classroom segment, and please do not forget to join in our next Expression Oral come next week Friday. Bye and see you.